Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Welcome to our video on power drinks and foods that can help you beat fatty liver. Today, we'll dive into the essential nutrients and delicious options that can support your liver health. Fatty liver disease is a growing concern, affecting millions and potentially leading to serious health issues. That's why it's crucial to understand how the right foods and beverages can make a difference. We'll explore tasty recipes, nutrient-packed drinks, and lifestyle tips that promote liver health and enhance your overall well-being. So, whether you want to improve your diet or learn more about maintaining a healthy liver, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Power Drink 1. Green tea is a powerhouse for combating fatty liver, thanks to its rich antioxidant content, particularly catechins. These antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress in the liver, promoting overall health. Studies have shown that regular consumption of green tea is linked to reduced liver fat and improved liver enzyme levels, making it a fantastic addition to your diet. To incorporate green tea into your daily routine, consider starting your morning with a warm cup or enjoying it as an afternoon pick-me-up. You can experiment with green tea smoothies or iced green tea for a refreshing twist. Embracing green tea can be a simple yet effective step toward better liver health. Power Drink 2. Beetroot juice is a fantastic ally for liver detoxification, thanks to its high content of betalains and antioxidants. These compounds enhance liver function by promoting the elimination of toxins and supporting overall detox processes. Research has shown that beetroot juice can significantly reduce liver inflammation, making it a valuable addition to your diet. To prepare beetroot juice, blend fresh beets with water and strain for a smooth drink. Mix it with other fruits and vegetables like apples or carrots for added flavor and nutrients. Enjoy a glass of beetroot juice daily to harness its powerful benefits and support your liver health effectively. Power Drink 3. Lemon water is a refreshing drink that promotes liver health. The citric acid in lemons aids digestion and helps stimulate the liver to produce bile, which is essential for detoxification. Additionally, lemons are rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports liver function and helps protect against oxidative stress. For maximum benefits, consider drinking lemon water on an empty stomach first thing in the morning to kickstart your metabolism and prepare your digestive system for the day ahead. You can also enjoy it throughout the day as a hydrating beverage. Incorporating lemon water into your routine is a simple yet effective way to support your liver health. Power Drink 4. Turmeric latte, often referred to as golden milk, is a delicious drink that offers remarkable benefits for liver support. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce liver inflammation and promote overall liver health. Studies have shown that curcumin may protect against liver damage and improve liver function. To make a simple turmeric latte at home, combine 1 cup of milk, dairy or plant-based, with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption, and a sweetener of your choice. Heat the mixture gently, whisking until smooth, and enjoy this soothing drink to support your liver health. Power Drink 5. Apple cider vinegar is a versatile ingredient that significantly aids liver health. One of its key benefits is its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy liver. Research has indicated that apple cider vinegar may also reduce liver fat, making it a valuable addition to your diet. To incorporate apple cider vinegar into your drinks, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons with a glass of water and add a splash of lemon juice or a teaspoon of honey for flavor. You can also use it in salad dressings or smoothies. Enjoying apple cider vinegar regularly can be a simple yet effective way to support your liver health. Food. 1. Leafy greens are essential in a fatty liver diet, playing a crucial role in detoxifying the liver. These nutrient-dense vegetables are rich in antioxidants and fiber, which help eliminate toxins and reduce inflammation. Specific greens like spinach and kale are particularly beneficial, as they contain compounds that support liver function and promote bile production. To creatively include leafy greens in your meals, consider adding spinach to smoothies for a nutrient boost, tossing kale into salads with your favorite toppings, or sautéing it with garlic as a delicious side dish. Incorporating a variety of leafy greens into your diet can significantly enhance your liver health while adding vibrant flavors to your meals. Food. 2. Fatty fish are a powerhouse for liver health, primarily due to their high content of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are vital in reducing liver fat and inflammation, making them an excellent choice for those looking to improve their liver function. Examples of fatty fish include salmon, mackerel, and sardines, all rich in these beneficial omega-3s. To incorporate fatty fish into your diet, consider grilling or baking salmon with herbs and lemon for a flavorful meal. You can also add mackerel to salads or enjoy sardines on whole grain toast. Regularly including fatty fish in your meals can significantly support your liver health while providing delicious options. Food. 3. Nuts are a fantastic addition to a liver-friendly diet, packed with healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients. These nutrient-dense snacks are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and support liver function. Specific nuts like walnuts and almonds are particularly beneficial. Walnuts are high in omega-3s, while almonds provide vitamin E, which is known for its protective effects on the liver. A small handful, about 1 ounce, makes for a satisfying snack for portion sizes. You can enjoy nuts, sprinkle them over salads, or blend them into smoothies for added crunch and nutrition. Incorporating nuts into your daily routine can significantly enhance your liver health. Food. 4. Avocado is a nutrient-rich fruit that offers numerous benefits for liver function. Packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, avocados help reduce inflammation and support overall liver health. Studies have shown that regular avocado consumption is linked to improved liver function and may even help lower liver fat levels. To incorporate avocado into your meals, add sliced avocado to salads or sandwiches for a creamy texture. You can blend it into smoothies for a nutritious boost or mash it to create delicious guacamole. Another great option is to enjoy avocado on whole grain toast topped with tomatoes or eggs. Including avocado in your diet can be a tasty way to support your liver health. Food. 5. Whole grains play a vital role in a liver-friendly diet by helping to regulate blood sugar levels and reduce fat accumulation in the liver. Unlike refined grains, whole grains retain their fiber and nutrients, aiding digestion and promoting a feeling of fullness. Examples of nutritious whole grains include quinoa, brown rice, and barley, all of which provide essential vitamins and minerals. To replace refined grains with whole grains in your meals, consider swapping white rice for brown rice or using quinoa as a base for salads and bowls. You can also choose whole grain bread or pasta instead of their refined counterparts. Incorporating whole grains into your diet can significantly support liver health while enhancing your meals. This video explored various drinks and foods that can help combat fatty liver and promote overall liver health. Key takeaways include the benefits of green tea, beetroot juice, lemon water, turmeric latte, apple cider vinegar, and nutrient-rich foods like leafy greens, fatty fish, nuts, avocados, and whole grains. By incorporating these items into your diet, you can take proactive steps toward improving your liver function and overall well-being. We encourage you to start making these healthy choices today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who may benefit from these health tips. Together, We can support each other on our journey to better health.